it's me again, Cherise, and for today's video, we are going to use an instrument that I just recently bought. This is the Microscope. I don't know if it's really for the face. I've been seeing this on YouTube, on Instagram. It can really magnify your skin from 50 to 500 times. So I thought of using the Microscope and comparing this to makeup wipes. This is obviously from the dollar store. This is $1.25 Canadian dollars. I usually use this when I'm cleaning my makeup kit. I don't use it on myself nor on my client. And then this one is my OG. Actually, I usually use the purple one, but when I read this, it says all-in-one makeup removing cleansing wipes, and it removes all types of face, lip, and eye makeup. And this retails for usually $9 each pack, and each pack has 25 wipes. But at Walmart, it was on sale for $14 for 2 packs. So basically like $7 each. So let's get to it. So it's currently 10 p.m. and this is the remaining makeup on my face. Let's look closely on our Microscope on what my skin looks like with makeup. So this is my blush. It's very glittery. Hold on. It's very glittery because I have highlighter on as well. So many hair. Oh my god, that hair is so thick. Okay, so this is my bronzer. Oh my god, those hair. Oh, it's all glittery. How about my chin? Oh my god, it's a pool of oil. Ah, look at those blackheads. Ew. My face is full of glitter. That's the cheeks. Oh. This is the most dreaded part, the nose. The nose. Ooh. Oh look, you can see the foundation. It's like it's sticking onto your pores. You really need makeup wipes for this. Like, see where it sticks? Like, it really sinks into your pores. Like, I would think that if I have foundation, it would like smoothly cover all of my skin, but you can clearly see it around like the blackheads in the pores. See? Oh, my hair is covered with foundation. See those hairs? Oh yeah, and I have highlighter in the center of my nose. Yep. Look at that foundation. Oh, it looks like I have a disease. Oh, that yellow foundation. Okay, let's look at my mascara. Oh. Ew, it looks like glue. Looks thick. Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, they're so dirty. They look so dirty looking. How about the other side? This light is blinding me. Hold on. Oh, you can see all. You can see the mascara cling into my lashes. That would be a hard job to remove because I'm using the mascara from Japan, the Heroine. Oh my god! It looks like the strand is falling. This one. No? What about my concealer? Ooh, the concealer really has better coverage than the foundation. See? Other side? Yes. I used the Maybelline Age Rewind. It has better coverage like compared to like that's the foundation. Right? This is better. The concealer is way better when it comes to coverage. Now let's look at my brows. Ooh. It's funny because I didn't realize even the strands have like color because I used the taupe, the NYX taupe. Oh my god, my brows are so oily. Can you see the oil? See? Whoa. My brows are so oily. Can you see that oil on the microscope? That's from my brows. Ew, brows! That's just pure oil. Pure oil from my brows. That's gross. Now let's look at my lips. I used the NYX liquid lipstick. It doesn't really have like color. Like maybe it's very smooth on my lips. Good job, NYX. Because it doesn't look dry or cracked under the microscope. Let's look at my mole. Where's my mole? Here? Oh, here. I don't even know where my mole is. Oh, there. Oh. There's my mole. It's pretty covered by the foundation. It's very glittery. That's my mole. Hi, mole. It doesn't look round. This looks like a puddle. Oh my god. Now that you've seen my disgusting face, let's see which one works better. So I'm gonna use the dollar store one on my right side and the Neutrogena one on my left. And sadly, I only have one right when I need to film. I only have one wipes from the dollar store, so I'm just gonna only use one from Neutrogena as well. So the eyes, and let's remove this very oily eyebrows. Ooh. Let's see. Mascara will be so hard to remove because I'm using the Heroin mascara from Japan, and it's super hard to remove. In fairness to this wipes, I still have like blank spots that I can use, and I think I'm almost done removing my makeup. So this is without makeup, and this is with makeup. So I'm curious what this makeup wipes look like under the microscope. Oh wow. Let's see, hold on. Ooh, too many fibers. It's like a loofah. Let's see like the lips. Oh, it's so red. cover up close. Hold on, why is there a black there? This is my lash. One strand of lash. Let me see. I still have a lot of actually space to use. So not bad, dollar store. What does it have? This one has all of the ingredients in Neutrogena are very foreign to me. And surprisingly, there's chamomile here, there's castor oil, and there's salicylic acid, which I know. But on this, I don't even know any except for water. So both of them have 25 wipes inside. Initially, there's a little scent on the dollar store ones, but I can't smell it anymore. This one has a very delicate, like flowery smell. This I'm gonna use on my left side. Oh wow, okay. Yeah. This one is better in removing my lipstick. So this is the Neutrogena ones. This is the Neutrogena and this is the dollar store. Like you can see, like this has more color than this. Okay, you're winning, Neutrogena. I'm actually gonna remove the remaining. See, there's still remaining on the dollar store area. I'm just gonna remove everything there. I can see my skin better on this side than on this side, right? I can already tell who's winning, but the real test would be on my lashes because this mascara is so hard to remove. All the makeup that has been removed on my face. Obviously there's more makeup here on the Neutrogena wipes than on the dollar store ones. Now let's look under the microscope which one is cleaner. So my conclusion video has been deleted, just my luck. So I just want to share the winner for our dollar store versus the Neutrogena makeup remover is hands down the Neutrogena wipes. Although I would only recommend this when you really need it and when you really need to remove a full coverage makeup because the ingredients might be a little strong for an every night use. So I hope you find this video helpful in choosing your makeup wipes. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one.
Thanks for watching. Be so fun. Bye.